So hey, this is AJ. Just a quick video on a recent job I had. A couple weeks ago, I got a call from or text from a client saying that she had a hole in the wall, drywall in the garage, and asked me if I can take a look at it. So here we are. We're exchanging some text messages back and forth. This is usually how I do my estimating. Went back and forth a little bit, confirmed some things, asked for a few more details, received the details, scheduled the work. Then once I got there on site, it just started working. So it's your typical drywall patch, nothing too complicated. The thing is, a couple years ago when I first started out, I probably would have charged like $85 to $100 to do this job, just because I didn't know how to charge, how much time it would take me. I didn't value my skill and other types of things. So as you can see, the price that I charge is dramatically higher than what I would have done a couple years ago, because it's not easy to do this kind of work and people are willing to pay the prices that I charge. So I showed up, did a job. And the thing with drywall, the thing I hate the most is trying to match paint. So I always ask the homeowner to provide the paint. In this case, they actually didn't need the paint, so I didn't have to do that. But it seems to be from so first of all, a lot of people have this problem, but if you can record it and upload it to your social media, like I'm showing you here in behind the scenes, it goes a long way. This generates a ton of jobs. It generates views on YouTube and my social media and all those types of things. So the bottom line, the moral of this story is, first of all, make sure you price your services accordingly. What is a fair price to do this kind of work? Make sure you're charging that. And then second of all, make sure you do top quality work, record what you're doing, and then use that to further your business and bring in new business. Anyway, hope that helps. You can saw at the end there, in addition to the price I charge, I actually received a tip on this one. So you never know what people are willing to pay or what you can charge until you go ahead and charge it and stick to your guns. So best luck to the handyman out there. If you like this kind of content, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and stand by for more. Thank you.